All right. This video is about getting some additional exterior pieces, some entourage, some of that sort of thing to put on the outside of our library. So let's walk through one of these. So I added this link here. This is a page that has a list of stuff for Revit. And in here I've got the library site file that you'll need for adding your library to the site. And then I've got some things I downloaded from Revit City, everything for exterior and some things for interior. And this is just to make your job easier. I know you can go out to Revit City and get your own, but the website has been really sluggish lately. So let's go through getting one of these as an example. Let's say that I wanted to add to my library design, I want to add a picnic table with an umbrella for the privacy and convenience of my users. So we're going to click on this little link here that says download. And you can go straight to the downloads folder if you know where you need to save it. You can, I'm going to do this because you probably are going to do this. So we're going to put it in the downloads folder. So I'm going to hit save. And I want to show that in the folder. And I'm also going to go over here and open up my documents right here. And I'm going to open the documents again. I'm going to open my Revit folders. I have a lot more folders than you guys will have because I've been using this computer for 5 years now. So, but I need to have a place for my library. And this is this Keystone base is where I've been doing my library work. So we're going to drop this model into that folder. So now if I open library base, I can see I have the Lundberg library that I've been working on. I have a picnic table and I have the library site and I have the library site that I'm actually working on. So it's in there now. Okay. Main thing is I have all the files being used by this model in one folder. Some of you are missing this. I've seen a few people not paying attention to file management. It's something you need to learn to do. All right, so moving on. Let's go look at my Revit model. And I'm going to go to my library site plan. And I haven't hidden these yet. Let me hide these really quick. Okay, so I hid the grid and levels in this view. What we're going to do now is we are going to escape from whatever it's trying to do. I'm going to go to Insert, Load Family. And I'm going to go to my documents and wherever I put that. So I have a folder called my Revit projects. And I have one called the Keystone base. And now I have a picnic table there. So I'm going to choose that family, click OK. It's telling me it's upgrading it to the current model. All right. And then it finished. So if I go to architecture and components, now one of the things I will see as a choice here is this umbrella table. So I'm going to go zoom in on some of this concrete that I made. So we might throw a couple of those around here and there. And I might have a few over here. I don't know, just wherever you want your stuff to show up at. Okay. I might go put some at the bus stop. Maybe like right here, I don't know. So just a real quick example of throwing some out there. So really what I want to show you is now you have these umbrellas. And if you zoom in on that, you can see that we have the tables with the umbrellas in our design. So that would be a real quick way of adding a family and using those for your layout for your site. All right, that's all I have for now. Thanks.